So they're like 500 meters in maybe. And we're all just like dying.
We're doing 5Ks uphill tomorrow.
Yikes. What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. Didn't film any form of an intro for this video, just got right into the hiking, but me and my friends went camping down to the Parongarups region last weekend and we walked up Mount Bluff Knoll in the Stirling Ranges. This is a few clips from the trip. Don't forget to like this video if at any point it makes you smile or you see some nice scenery. And subscribe to my channel. Oh yeah, I was just gonna let you guys know. My goal is to get to 100 subscribers on my channel before I go back to uni. Otherwise I'm gonna stop making videos for you guys Otherwise I'm gonna stop making videos for you guys if you're underappreciating them. So yeah, subscribe to my channel and get your little siblings to subscribe to my channel. If your parents have a YouTube account, subscribe on their accounts as well. And yeah, let's get to 100 subscribers by the time I go back to uni, which is 27th of July. So I promise I'll start uploading better before then. Thanks guys, peace, have a lovely afternoon.
What's up? Hey vlog.
This is our first mountain that we're climbing of the trip, out of actually 2 mountains that we're climbing.
I'm already out of breath, fuck that. Back to blog it up.
Alright, we're halfway, more than halfway there guys, nearly up the top. Yeah, we're walking up rocks now. You should have ate shit for the vlog. Alright guys, we're not even fully up this mountain yet and it's amazing. Absolutely stunning view. My heart is racing right now. I think I'm very nearly having like some sort of arrhythmia of the heart. Like heart palpitations. I think I need some water. Someone could have told us that this mountain doesn't face the sun.
Yeah, I know. How's this good for the fucking sunset? Unless we go around the other side.
Alright, we did it. That's 1 mountain done. And you can see the ocean from here. Alright guys, what is up? It's camping trip day 1. And we're on top of Devil's Slide right now. It's a mountain up here in the Parongarups.
See how it got its name?
It's a pretty fucking hard walk. It was like 700 meters of legit climbing up rocks, like slippery, wet rocks. But yeah, we made it. It looks pretty nice. We can see Albany from here. In the distance, we've spotted Bluff Knoll. It does look like some sort of alien creation.
My pistol. It's because I'm a cop. Yeah. And it's like, I don't...
You dumb bitch. Alright guys, we're on the way down now. This is fucking amazing. Alright guys, it's the second morning and we're just getting ready to walk up Mount Bluff Knoll. I'll show you guys the setup. So that's my car and this is our tent. So it's pretty big. I'm all fucked. So we've got a gazebo, a fire and a table. And then this is our inside room. And it's got a pantry, a table, some shit, and esky. And then this is our beds. So that's Meg's bed, Imogen's bed, and my bed up the top there. And I guess we're leaving now, so come with us to Mount Bluff Knoll and come hiking with us.
Period.
Alright, I think that's the one. I think that's Bluff, guys. I think that's it.
Incoming.
Incoming, Bluff Hole.
On the shortest day of the year.
Shortest day of the year, hottest day of the year. 3 girls, 1 mountain. Can they do it?
Hey guys, change of plans. That's not Bluff Knoll anymore.
Change of plans. It's the wrong mountain. Alright guys, we're in the park. That's Bluff Knoll.
My legs already hurt.
Yeah, it's not really that big, like, to be honest. Hey, say that at the top, bitch. Guys, it's not even gonna be hard, like, we're gonna smash it out. bluff, and this is the view from just the car park. Pretty amazing. I think that's the peak, what we're about to walk up. And yeah, this is the view. Here's the view from the other side. Rest in peace, Kenny Rogers. Go. Alright guys, we're like a quarter of the way maybe. But yeah, we're fucked.
Fuck, you can see the people up there. Oh, that looks so steep.
That's what we've still got to go. So pretty.
Look at dirt on your face.
It's water time. Guys, if you're walking up a mountain, remember to stay hydrated. This vlog and this little adventure is sponsored by Coolridge. You're keeping me hydrated for my hike up Bluff Knoll. Alright, we're on about our 6th break of the walk. Heart rate increasing, definitely. Wow.
Yeah, we've been doing good.
Guys, we got 1 kilometer to go.
Ah! I like it.
Yeah,
It's on to it.
Look. Wouldn't buy it again. Alright, we can see the ocean again, guys. Nearly there. It's a little bit windy. I've got the gloves on. Like, we were all really struggling to get up here. I won't tell a lie. My heart was racing, pounding out of my chest. I felt at any point I could keel over and roll right back to the start, and it was a really daunting feeling. So yeah, we're just on top of a mountain right now. It's pretty epic, guys.
Get that musty, crusty fucking ass out of here.
Like, she has shit
down her fucking legs.
We're pulling a piece up here. Like, everyone's pissed off at us. This looks cute. Oh, it goes back. Oh, look, beautiful. And then we're fucking going to the pub. It's just really beautiful.
Why do you reckon they put these here?
And we're back. We just walked up a mountain, guys. We're back at the bottom. My legs hurt.
We're gonna be grinding on.
Oh shit, I can't wake up for a beer.
Sleepy time. We just polished off a whole lot of chippies.
And a pint.
Alright guys, I'm chilling at the campsite now. We just got back from the pub. We had some chips, and now Imogen and Meg are cooking dinner, and I'm about to light the fire with my blowtorch. So, fire in there with some leaves and shit. So I'm gonna light it and hopefully it catches and stays alight. Last night I used the fire lighters, but tonight I'm gonna try it and do it without them. So we'll see how we go. Alright, it's kind of going. Alright, it's going. So yesterday we had like burgers for dinner. They were pretty good, and like I brought the burgers. So tonight Imogen's making dinner, and she's making stir fry with tofu. So that's what we have for dinner tonight. I know I'm super fly, and you say you will. So build me up, all right, y'all, we're in Denmark town right now, getting coffee.
They're lemon
gone for a look around. Nice. Do you want them? They do look alright. Should we share one? So yeah, we're just in Denmark right now. It's super cute. Today we're just having a look around Denmark. So I think the plan is we're getting a coffee right now, and then we're gonna walk up, like have a look through a few shops, and then after that we're gonna go get some lunch at the brewery, and then go like have a look at all the beaches and stuff afterwards. So yeah, that's the plan for our day. This is the river in Denmark, and it's just so cute. I'm excited. Imogen does have a spending habit though. Wow, we nearly lost my shit. Alright guys, we're just walking through Denmark. Imogen has been buying some shit, but we're about to go to the go get some lunch, and then
what have we spent? Nothing.
We going in there. Alright y'all, I'm just eating my wrap for lunch outside the bakery right now. Imogen and Meg literally have not stopped bullying me the whole time we've been down here, and they've literally just left me. Like, I'm just sitting by myself outside the fucking bakery. I don't know where they've gone. I treated my bullies to a trip to Denmark. Like guys, I literally paid for the fuel, I paid for the campsite. It was like 120 bucks. I literally paid for everything so that I could come camping with my friends, and they're not even my friends. Like, they're just so fake. It's ridiculous. So yeah, I'm just hoping that they come back. Otherwise, I have the car keys, so like I will literally just leave them here. I'm not even joking. It's not even funny. Like, I will leave them here. This wrap that I bought has a lot of mayo in it, and traditionally I don't like mayo, so we'll see how this goes. Oh. Straight up just lost my lettuce. You don't get your crusty motherfucking bum-ashy ass back in the car right now. I'm leaving.
Hey, that gear stick was good.
Oh God, I like their bum asses out the car, motherfucker.
Stupid bitch.
Stopped at Parry's Beach for a look. We were gonna go to the famous beaches, Elephant Rocks, and they're closed, like literally. Come on, bitch. Psych! She fall.
I spent 3 days with my bullies.
So I went to Denmark and spent like 120 bucks in town. How about it?
I did the same.
Stupid fucking dinosaur. It is what it is. Last night, we just got back from Denmark. It's gonna rain tonight. It's really cloudy. Yeah, that was a successful camping trip. We got one more hike in the morning because currently our ass is still looking a bit flabby, a little bit jiggly. Oh yes, baby girl, that glow is good. What's good? Damn right.
She's so into herself.
Meg is cooking up.
Hey, she's a fucking slut.
It's dinner time around the campfire. This shit is good. Good morning, Panaganops. We out here again.
Yo.
We made it to
This is somewhere on the way.
We're definitely up in the clouds a bit. I reckon we might see like a waterfall, a cloud waterfall from the top.
I think you're lying.
Oh my fucking God.
Nope, that shit ain't cute.
What the fuck?
Like, literally.
I literally do not feel safe here. Oh look, balancing rock. That shit is whack.
Wait, what? No one else had backpacks.
Alright, what the fuck are they playing at right now?
I got flat feet.
Wow, that shit's crazy. Scramble or what? A 65-minute scramble. I'm scrambling. Let's go, Meg. Let's go.
Do I look like a scrambler?
Scrabble.
You look like scrambled eggs. Go, Meg.
Go you.
Are you going last?
I ain't going. Oh, you lying.
Woo! It don't. It don't go down. Fuck, it's really windy.
Can she not?
Whoa, fuck. Whoa. How'd they build this? We're up at a place called Granite Rock, Granite Skywalk. But yeah, it's pretty dope. Last day of camping.
I think she would sit up with them.
Yeah.
Hey, yo, how's the view?
Go push it, I dare you.
Oh no!
Oh shit. We made it. We made it back, thank fuck, because my legs and my ass and my heels, my Achilles, my feet, my back, my neck, it hurt. It's all hurt. It really hurts. So yeah, we're about to jump in the car for like 4.5 hours and come home. And we need to stop at Mount Barker and find a sandwich. A sandwich?
I ain't either. Future?
Sandwich. I really spending big.
Welcome home.
No? Yeah. Hi.
It's doing blonde bitch.
These bitches pissing me off. And I'm stuck in a car with them. I look like a burnt chicken nugget. That's my Exmouth trip. Hope you liked it. Fuck. Alright guys, that's my Paragonup trip vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to Exmouth next week, so I have an Exmouth vlog coming out soon. Please like this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Have a blessed week, guys. I'll see you next week. Thanks.